Dangers of wildfires. Let's get started. Listening. How do wildfires start? Are they caused by natural occurrences? How do wildfires start? Are they caused by natural occurrences? How do wildfires start? Are they caused by natural occurrences?
Wildfires are caused by lightning or human activities, such as sparks from machinery, dumped cigarette butts, unattended campfires, or arson. Wildfires are caused by lightning or human activities, such as sparks from machinery, dumped cigarette butts, unattended campfires, or arson. Wildfires are caused by lightning or human activities, such as sparks from machinery, dumped cigarette butts, unattended campfires, or arson.
Why do forest fires burn more frequent and more widespread now? Why do forest fires burn more frequent and more widespread now? Why do forest fires burn more frequent and more widespread now?
According to some studies, global warming causes the increase of frequency of extreme heat waves. Hence, more lightning strikes occur. After starting fires in different locations, forest fires grow and extend bigger. According to some studies, global warming causes the increase of frequency of extreme heat waves. Hence, more lightning strikes occur. After starting fires in different locations, forest fires grow and extend bigger. According to some studies, global warming causes the increase of frequency of extreme heat waves. Hence, more lightning strikes occur. After starting fires in different locations, forest fires grow and extend bigger.
How do wildfires affect air quality and our health? How do wildfires affect air quality and our health? How do wildfires affect air quality and our health?
Smoke is produced when wildfires burn in the forests. Such smoke consisting of toxic gases, for example, carbon monoxide, which is a pollutant of the air. It adversely affects our health. Smoke is produced when wildfires burn in the forests. Such smoke consisting of toxic gases, for example, carbon monoxide, which is a pollutant of the air. It adversely affects our health. Smoke is produced when wildfires burn in the forests. Such smoke consisting of toxic gases, for example, carbon monoxide, which is a pollutant of the air. It adversely affects our health.
If I do not live close to the wildfire zone, can I rest assured that I'll not breathe in the hazardous smoke? If I do not live close to the wildfire zone, can I rest assured that I'll not breathe in the hazardous smoke? If I do not live close to the wildfire zone, can I rest assured that I'll not breathe in the hazardous smoke?
That's not necessarily correct. The smoke may be carried thousands of kilometers from the zone. Hence, you may feel unwell. That's not necessarily correct. The smoke may be carried thousands of kilometers from the zone. Hence, you may feel unwell. That's not necessarily correct. The smoke may be carried thousands of kilometers from the zone. Hence, you may feel unwell.
What types of people should take extra note of their health when facing with forest fires? What types of people should take extra note of their health when facing with forest fires? What types of people should take extra note of their health when facing with forest fires?
The sensitive groups include elders, teenagers, pregnant women, smokers, and asthma sufferers. Those harmful pollutants worsen the lungs, heart, and brain. The sensitive groups include elders, teenagers, pregnant women, smokers, and asthma sufferers. Those harmful pollutants worsen the lungs, heart, and brain. The sensitive groups include elders, teenagers, pregnant women, smokers, and asthma sufferers. Those harmful pollutants worsen the lungs, heart, and brain.
Why do we get prepared if we live in an area at higher risk for wildfires? Why do we get prepared if we live in an area at higher risk for wildfires? Why do we get prepared if we live in an area at higher risk for wildfires?
Those harmful pollutants are tiny particles. If we breathe them in, they'll be absorbed by our lungs and the bloodstream. Hence, we should protect ourselves and family, for example, burning eyes, running nose before the smoke arrives. Those harmful pollutants are tiny particles. If we breathe them in, they'll be absorbed by our lungs and the bloodstream. Hence, we should protect ourselves and family, for example, burning eyes, running nose before the smoke arrives. Those harmful pollutants are tiny particles. If we breathe them in, they'll be absorbed by our lungs and the bloodstream. Hence, we should protect ourselves and family, for example, burning eyes, running nose before the smoke arrives.
What should we do when wildfire season approaches? What should we do when wildfire season approaches? What should we do when wildfire season approaches?
Smoke can come into buildings through windows, doors, and vents. We may consider to buy a portable air cleaner, which can remove those tiny particles effectively from the air. It's useful to maintain cleaner indoor air. Smoke can come into buildings through windows, doors, and vents. We may consider to buy a portable air cleaner, which can remove those tiny particles effectively from the air. It's useful to maintain cleaner indoor air. Smoke can come into buildings through windows, doors, and vents. We may consider to buy a portable air cleaner, which can remove those tiny particles effectively from the air. It's useful to maintain cleaner indoor air. In addition, we should keep a stock of respirator masks, which can filter out those particles in the smoke. Please be reminded that a surgical mask cannot protect our lungs from the smoke. In addition, we should keep a stock of respirator masks, which can filter out those particles in the smoke. Please be reminded that a surgical mask cannot protect our lungs from the smoke. In addition, we should keep a stock of respirator masks, which can filter out those particles in the smoke. Please be reminded that a surgical mask cannot protect our lungs from the smoke.
How can we identify that there is wildfire smoke close to my house? How can we identify that there is wildfire smoke close to my house? How can we identify that there is wildfire smoke close to my house?
We may notice a haze in the air, and the smoke smells like burning plastic. We should also pay attention to the air quality update, public health message, and warning from the news. We may notice a haze in the air, and the smoke smells like burning plastic. We should also pay attention to the air quality update, public health message, and warning from the news. We may notice a haze in the air, and the smoke smells like burning plastic. We should also pay attention to the air quality update, public health message, and warning from the news.